As part of activities marking his 100 days in office, Ondo State Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa was at Ondo State Radio Vision Corporation in Akure for a special program tagged Mr. Governor Speaks. The Chief Executive Officer of the Sunshine State was received on arrival by the management team of the OSRC Media Group, led by the Director General, Mr. Kenneth Odushola Stevenson. With the welcoming formalities concluded,
Excellent. Good to see you. Thank you very much.
It was time for the business of the day as the governor took his seat in the studio. Governor Aiyedatiwa thanked and appreciated people of the state for their support for his administration and restated his dedication not to lower the bar of impactful governance. The governor said he is determined to actualize the 7-point agenda of his administration known as REs, including infrastructure and education development.
Road infrastructure is very key. It grants you access. People can easily access even your state, the various communities. For example, you know Ondo State is an agrarian state. One of our priorities, not just road infrastructure, because every sector of the economy is very, very important. It will help productivity. That is one of the reasons why we have to embark on that within the first 100 days. Some of the measures that we have taken in our educational development is by recruiting about 2,000 teachers within these 100 days of administration, both for primary and secondary school. 1,000 for primary schools and 1,000 for secondary schools, total about 2,000. And you know what that means in terms of financial cost. Now, not only that, we are renovating our schools, both the primary school under SUBE and the secondary school, the TESCO.
Aiyedatiwa, who restated his commitment to the protection of lives and property of inhabitants with various interventions aimed at strengthening the security architecture of the state, promised not to shirk his responsibility of promoting the tourism potentials of the state. The governor said he will not relent efforts at promoting the efficiency and effectiveness of the public service with training and retraining of workers while promoting their welfare, including the senior citizens.
Those who have led service, in fact, we have been doing so much for them. We met a lot of areas when we came on board. Many years now. And we have been defraying that with bulk amount. Yes. And the retirees today are happier than before because of our policy, because I believe that it is not until when they died and then they need to enjoy what they have labored for while they are alive, and that we have been doing. So, and those who have just retired, they do their processes and we approve them. So both those are serving, they get what is due to them, and those who have retired, they also get what is due to them. So all of this we are doing. Now you talk about recruitment. Yes, to cover gap of those who have left the service. Yes. Apart from the civil service,
The education sector.
yes, apart from educational sector that I mentioned 2,000. Also in civil service, we also recruit, some personnel as at when, they look at the head of service, they know they have their data, those who have left and areas that there are shortfalls or gaps that need to be covered. So all of that we are doing. It's not as if it's a massive recruitment, but even lawyers in the Ministry of Justice, of recent, some lawyers were recruited.
The governor said all hands are on deck to sustain and improve efforts at making affordable healthcare services available to all residents of the state, while stating his readiness to appoint more competent individuals into office to add value to his administration with the aim of promoting the current impactful governance.
The medical, the health sector, we recruited a lot of doctors, nurses, and other medical staff, supporting staff for the medical sector. we have cabinet in place. Just that it's not so full, and in the days ahead, very soon, you will hear the announcement of appointing other members of the cabinet.
Aiyedatiwa concluded by reaffirming his passion to make Ondo State the envy of others in terms of overall growth and development, anchored on transparency and accountability. High point of the visit was the official inauguration of a 500 kVA transformer that distributes and regulates public power supply to the OSRC Media Group.
Connecting them to the national grid, thereby commissioned today by me for the good of humanity and for efficient broadcasting. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Wahab Bankole, OSRC News.